Such rocks. In this video we will see AI digital currency trading platform, and that platform name is Neswap platform. I will provide you detailed demonstration how to sign in, how to invest your money of different cryptocurrencies, and what is the advantage of this platform. So we will see detailed demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Now move to mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. First of all, I open here my internet browser and just put it this link. I already put it this link in same video description. So look at this. This is a website of neswap.com. So we need to fill some of the information here, like username, email address, password, and then email verification code. So I just simply type here Research Rocks and my email address at gmail.com. Then I put here password. Password must be in case sensitive, some capital letter, some small letter, and some special character. Send the captcha. So within a 60 second I am receiving one captcha on my email address. So I will see. So look at this, here I am receiving the verification code. So it means the platform is quite secure and outstanding. So verification is done. Now I just simply sign up, save the password. Now after signing, we need to sign in here using your email address or verification code. Now here verification code is 2686, then sign in. So look at this, this is a platform to invest here cryptocurrency and much more information. We will go through one by one. So look at this here, TRX balance, USDT, Ethereum, USDT balance, and Binance coin balance also showing here, and some other cryptocurrency. So look at this here, 1109 registration at last 24 hours. It's quite huge number. Total registration, total trained volume, and much more informations are available here. Here some several languages are available: English, Dutch, and Mandarin. Setting, inside the setting you can fulfill your all information here, like a first name, last name. I just simply put it here, my first name and last name. So you can also fulfill here your information if you need to put it, and then simply save. So now this is the framework. Now we'll see detailed demonstration, all options one by one. First of all, we need to add some of the currency in my current wallet. So like USDT, I want to add here 70 USDT. So I simply press here wallet and the specific currency, and the add recharge means enter the amount to be recharged. So I just simply put it here 70 and top up, and I'm using my Binance wallet or third party wallet. I just simply scan this QR code and I added here 70 USDT. So within a minute I can receive the 70 USDT on my wallet. We will see the money is coming or not, and refresh, and boom, the currency is showing here. I can eligible to withdraw 69.85. So my current balance is a 70 USDT. You can same add as a TRX currency also. You can same add as Ethereum, and remaining currency also you can add which currency you want added the particular wallet. And after next option come how to withdraw. Before doing the withdrawal, we need to solve one problem for the two-factor authentication. So I just simply press here gear option and little bit scroll down. Here two-factor authentication options are available. For that point of view, you open your App Store and just simply type here Google Authentication. So I already installed this application on my iPhone. You can do same process Android and iOS also. So you just simply open this one, and here one QR code is available. You just simply scan this QR code via scanning QR code option. Using this option, and the particular verification are automatically generate here. The verification are putting here. So it means this application are very authenticate scan of your Google authentication application, and that one is very genuine platform. Now we'll see how to do withdrawal. I just simply press the wallet and simply press here withdrawal button. As a withdrawal point of view, here two-factor authentication is available. First of all, enter the payment address here. Now I just simply added here my Binance wallet ID. So this is my Binance wallet ID, and I add here around like a 50 USDT, and before withdrawal I need to put it here Google verification code. So my Google verification is this 969853, and I simply press the withdrawal, and look at this, withdrawal cash successfully done. Currently my balance is at 20. It's very simple to withdraw and deposit. Now remaining video we will see on my laptop screen. Here is my account, as I already create Research Rocks. So here remaining balance I have in 35 USDT. Here several options are available. I just simply trade here. As a trading point of view, here manual, auto and plans options are available. For the manual point of view, first time as a click here manual, then second option here USDT, and create here first time as a 0, and then create a order. So minimum amount not be less than 35. So I already created one order. Now next time I trade here, and then I click here auto mode, simply again select here the second option, and now look at this here 10 days, 30 days, 45, 60 days and some different days options are available. If I invest here today 30 USDT for the 10 day, so estimate rate of return plus 7% return I can receive. Look at this number. Maximum trading value is 100 USDT. So I just simply select here for 10-day plan and create order like this. My order is successfully created. After 10 days I am receiving 35 plus 7% interest return on my wallet automatically. If I refresh now, so look at this, my all wallet is 00, but here 35 USDT balance is actively fund. After exactly 10 days, today is a 23, and then next 3rd of October I can receive here entire amount in my automatically my wallet. It's very simple. If you have good amount of money, you can invest 30 day, 45 day, 60 day, 90 day, 120, and if days increase, the return value also increase, like 30 days 22%, 45 days 35%, and 60 days 48%. So if I invest like 100 USDT, so after 2 months I am receiving 150 USDT, like more. If I invest in like 120 days, so if I invest there like 100 USDT, so I am receiving 202 USDT. So that one is a really amazing platform. Exchange also available here. 50 currencies are available here, so you can exchange very easily one currency to another currency. And look at this here, auto trading list are displaying here. I add here today, and I am receiving this amount is like a 3rd of October, and the specific time my 10-day order plan is going on. 9 days some hours are remaining, so the watch is going on here, tick 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 like this. So that one is a really amazing platform. Here wallet related options, remaining details, your account, where you invest, how many withdrawal, and some other informations are displayed here. Recommendation related informations also available here. For the referral key, I already put it my referral key in same video description, so you can click there and we can receive as a referral bonus also. So referral bonus also available 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3, but currently I am level 1. Some other informations are available here, the dashboard. So that's it. If you have any question, you can comment me in video section. I will definitely help you. Otherwise contact the Telegram group. I already put it this group link also in video description. It's outstanding platform to invest here and earn much more cryptocurrency. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.